Ready to level up your teamwork and build amazing things with others through the power of GitHub? Let's dive into GitHub workflows and how they transform chaos into collaborative coding success. First things first, you'll need a GitHub account and a repository. Imagine your repository as a central hub for your project's code. Now, the magic begins with branching. Think of branches like separate working lanes off the main highway of your code. When you want to add a feature or fix a bug, create a new branch. It keeps your changes independent from the main codebase, allowing you to experiment freely. Once your changes are ready, it's time for a pull request. This is a formal request to merge your changes into the main branch. This kicks off the essential code review process. Pull requests let collaborators to examine your code, make suggestions, and give it a thumbs up if you are good to go. This peer review improves code quality and helps catch mistakes early. If reviewers find issues, make the necessary changes, commit them to your branch, and the pull request automatically updates once reviews are done and the codes are approved. You are ready to merge. Merging brings your branch's code into the main branch. Following these GitHub best practices, effective branching, pull requests, and code reviews ensures that teams can collaborate seamlessly. You're now prepared to build amazing projects with teamwork, and that is the true power of collaborative coding.